All right, we're going to be talking about functions, not conjunction, junction. What's your function? Not picking up clauses and phrases, but actually what a function is. So, function can be a rule with input values, which are the domain or the x's, and output values, the range or the y's. An example of that is it's kind of like this here. We're going to have a domain, a set of numbers. We're going to put them into an equation, which is a rule. See this 2x plus 3? Basically, if the domain is the input or the x value, I'm going to replace the x value, unless I wrote the problem, with parentheses where the x is. That's the best way to work these, is to write the equation down exactly as it is, or function, but where the x is, make parentheses. And guess what I'm going to put in the parentheses? And the Rufus, our dog there, we're going to plug in a -1 because that's the first number. So I take 2 times -1, which is -2, added to 3 makes 1. So that makes 1 the output when the input was -1. I'm going to do it again. Is that my range there? And I have the point -1, 1, because it makes that point. I'm also now going to go rewrite my rule, 2 with the parentheses. This time I'm going to put the 0 in there. Thank you, Rufus. Yeah, I've got to plug it in. So I'm going to put a 0 in here. So 2 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. And then that means my range has a value of 3, which I added down here. And I also have the point 103. I have the point 03 right here. You can see them written down. And now I'm going to go up here and I have one more number to put in. So I'm going to rewrite the equation one more time with the parentheses. I'm going to put, thank you, Rufus. I'm going to plug the 1 in. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5. So my range is 5. I have the point, then 1, 5. Notice my domain was my input. My range was my output. Made the set of word pairs, and all I did was plug it in, plug it in.